So I am washing this out using Pattern shampoo and conditioner, and I decided to do this video because a lot of people ask me how this wax washes out. Does it stay in your hands? Does it stay in your clothes? So obviously I am doing all of this while I have my shirt on, and you guys will see at the very end just how this washes out and also if this ended up staining my shirt. So stay tuned. And if you have no idea what I am talking about, I will link below. So I used hair paint wax, the purple color, and I will have that video linked below. And if you have no idea what Pattern is, or if you're just curious what my initial thoughts on Pattern was, I will also have that video linked below as well. The cool thing about this this paint wax, is it defines your curls like crazy. So here, like I mentioned, I'm only rinsing my hair out first before I shampoo it. So you will see just how defined my curls are with just rinsing out the color. Like I almost wanted to just wear it like that. Look at that definition. I don't usually put shampoo all the way through my hair, all the way to the ends, unless I'm clarifying my hair. And since I have wax in my hair, I am obviously clarifying it. So that's why you see me putting the shampoo all the way from the roots of my hair all the way to the end. And now I am applying the conditioner. I am detangling my hair while in the shower while I still have conditioner in my hair, and I'm using the detangling brush from Pattern Beauty to work the conditioner all the way through my hair as well. And in case you're wondering, yes, I did leave my makeup on, only because I actually have another video right after this one that I had to record. So I was trying to kill two birds with one stone by keeping my makeup on. But that's pretty much it, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. This is how the wax came out of my hair, and as you can see on my shirt, there is no purple. And also I did wash my shirt, and yeah, there was no purple stain. So if you're curious and you want to know just what my initial thoughts were on Pattern, of course, I will have those videos linked below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Hairvolutions. Thank you so much for watching.